All right, looking at AFRM stock, Affirm Holdings. So really big day so far. It's up 28%. I looked, and does appear to be bullish. It's crossed over this moving average. You can see bullish structure from roughly about $9 here. Came up, pulled back, came up, and is creating higher lows and potentially higher highs. So I mean, the bull structure is in place here after a massive jump already today. This is your main area we got to look to. Roughly about $20 is kind of just shy of 20 is the main target here. And then if it's got to break and hold above that before it goes higher, because as of right now, it's pretty much just ranging, like based on from here to here. You can see it's just bounced between this area, between roughly $20, a little bit below 20, and 13. So. But there's a ton of bull momentum here, so very well could go into the zone and break through. And then your next area would be up here where these wicks are. So right up above, not that much higher, only about 2150 kind of thing. So that would be your next target. So I don't think there's actually that much as far as risk to reward. I don't think there's a ton, especially because I most likely wouldn't buy this until it breaks above this area here. So it's got to break above $20, and then you're going to a massive resistance zone here. So you can see price came down, respected this area, came back up, finally broke it, then retested a bunch of times, came down, retested again. So this area is pretty significant. So the chance of it just breaking $22 is I wouldn't say it's unlikely. I mean, there's bullish momentum, and it is bullish. It's above this moving average, so it could break, but your risk to reward, I mean, it has to break $20, and then if you enter, let's say you enter a long position after it breaks $20, I mean, your target's what, 21 or 22 maybe? So your risk to reward is not great in that situation, but what I would be doing, because today is so bullish, I'd be looking for support areas if this pulls back. So obviously today it has not pulled back at all yet. It's just super bullish, but there is a chance that sells off. And because price did gap here, there is a chance that it eventually comes back down and tries to fill that gap. Who knows if it will. I can see an area of support here. So right around $16. If price comes back down to here, I'd be looking for a buy there. But until then, I personally wouldn't, just because I know it's tempting to just buy, like, let's say, because there's so much hype behind this, and it's up 28% on the day. You might as well just buy it. Look, it's just going, it's just going higher and higher and higher. But you buy at the top here, and then you end up holding the bag because everyone sells, right? This is up 28% today. So imagine if you bought it down here and you made 28% on your money in one day. Let's say I bought it $15 upon open, or I bought it yesterday, at $13.82, right? I'm up 28% on my money theoretically. Then if you can make 28% in a day, I mean, and the thing is, you only make money if you sell it. So if you're already up 28%, you're really inclined to sell it to end the day, and it's Friday, so there's a chance this sells off. I would not buy into the hype right now. I would let it come down, test this structure. Let's make sure this is actually truly bullish, and it's going to continue up. And then I would target this $20 area again. Put it right here. We'll mark this out, because if this is truly bullish and it's not just hype, then that's no problem. Then I can just buy it at 16 and hold it to 20 here. You got a nice zone here, so we'll let price come back down and test this area, create some wicks, and then it's got this tiny little zone, so I can set a nice stop loss if I want to take a good real technical trade, and get like a 5 to probably 7 risk to reward on this, which is much better, and you're not buying into hype, and you'd be much better off that way. And like, this might be a next month play, because September's coming up here. We only have, after today, we only have 4 more trading days in the month, so. But that's what I would be waiting for, is just letting us pull back down to $16. Don't buy it on the top here. Like, it's already up 28%. You got areas of resistance here actually as well. You can see on the 4 hour. So it's approaching $18, which is also a whole number. So we can keep that in mind here. We'll just mark this here right at 18. So you can see, like, it's already kind of it's already respecting this $18 mark, and might start selling off. So I think I would just wait, but it's cool that this is bullish. It's above the 4-hour moving average as well. You got nice bullish structure here. I didn't even notice this, so this is actually perfect. So you got this nice chunk here, this nice segment of price, comes back down, makes a higher high relative to these, pulls back, makes a higher low relative to here. So now here's your higher high setting in, which is good. And I mean, this might just go directly to 20 bucks, but that's not a big deal. You're not missing out on anything. Let it come back to a decent price, and then buy it. Don't buy it after it's already went up 28% on the day. So and on a Friday, I would just wait. Let this come back down to, maybe you miss out. Maybe it goes maybe it breaks $18 today and heads right up to 20 before it sells off. I don't know. To me, it's not worth it. I would just let this sell off first whenever that happens, and let it come down to, whatever price. If it decides $16 or about 17 right here, you can see there's a ton of wicks here. So there's a ton of liquidity in this area as well. So let price come down to one of these areas, either 17 bucks or 16 bucks. And then look for a long position. But until then, I would just wait, let this hype die down, let the momentum die down, because odds are people are going to start selling this. If you bought this yesterday and it gapped because of earnings and is up 28% today, and you can literally, all you have to do is sell off your position today, liquidate your position today, and you're up 28% on your money, that's pretty enticing. So that is my take on Afrm, Affirm Holdings. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you want to keep updated on this. I can keep doing updated videos, and if not, then yeah, we'll just see you in the next one.